Welcome to a new video. In this video you are going to learn how you can gain followers for free on TikTok on application. The first thing we are going to do is go to Play Store application here, and we are going to download TikTok. And this application called Tik Now, what we are going to go or TikTok for life here, and I am lower the volume for not interrupt us, and we can see our username and go to TQ application and paste here your username, and we can see the page. Okay, this is my account. We are going to wait a moment for this application. We will have 3 points. Then when we have 13 points, what we are going to do is from those points we are going to go to where it says to exchange 13 points, and you place both followers. Okay, let's see, you may see a small advertisements, but we cancel them. We change the 13 point, and this moment I am going to you can see my TikTok, and hang on a second. Meanwhile, I get 13 points. Okay, I go my pro life in TikTok. This is all person we follow, and I have 18 followers and 30 points. I intercambiate the points, and we can see a public site. And now press in. And going to exchange point for followers. Now it's going to seem like a small advertisement. We are going to touch the we see that already have one more follower. This is gradually what we are going to be able to see. I am going to back, and we that already have new followers here. I have more followers. This is interesting, unimaginable, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content with this.